I'm Chloe Goodman and I'm here today at KSL to get a little bit of hair restoration. Once I had children, I lost a little bit around the front. I was fine because I was told, oh, it grows back, but unfortunately for me, it actually hasn't. It just wouldn't stop shedding. Like in the shower, it was just coming out in clumps and it never came back. So probably the hormone changes had a massive impact on my thickness around the front. It's made me quite self-conscious. When I wear my hair up in a slick back ponytail, you can really see where it's thinned at the front. So it's not necessarily like bringing the hairline forward, it's more a case of thickening in the areas that I've got thinning from pregnancy. I was a bit nervous when I was thinking and researching about the hair restoration. I think with women, there's this stigma of hair transplant or hair restoration being quite a manly procedure to have. I mean, my husband's had one and his looks amazing, but certainly I think my results should be very, very different to his. But I spoke to Rosie Williams, who's been here before, and her results are fantastic. She couldn't have recommended KSL more, so it convinced me to just get it done because it's really important for people to know that actually you can do really subtle and natural enhancements. I'm definitely looking forward to having the procedure, and I hope that me being honest and open, I think it's not good to the public to be like, oh no, I'm completely natural when you're not, and give them a false narrative. I mean, you'll see it in my before and after pictures, no doubt, and I'll be completely honest about my whole journey with KSL so that people can check it out on my page and if they are interested. So we're about to go upstairs now and start the procedure. Wish me luck, guys.
We've trimmed Chloe's, temples where she had baby hairs just to expose those areas because those are the areas that were really bothering her. Once we've done that, she would like her hairline a little bit lower. We still want to keep the natural flow of the hairline. So as you can see, her natural hairline goes down a bit in the center. So we want to continue that. So it's just really important to keep the patient's natural hairline and work according to that rather than creating an absolutely new type of hairline that doesn't really match their face.
A procedure that I'm having to not change myself, but just to give me back what I previously had. I was only ever going to do this once. I didn't want to go too subtle and then think, oh, I should have done a bit more. So when we were discussing my little baby hair, we've actually shaved them off, which is where you can see the transplant area. So I had baby hair that matched my hairline. We shaved them off and put the transplant in to thicken it up. My hairline sat slightly further forward, and I didn't even realize that it had slowly been receding post children. So I thought whilst we did the thickening of the sides to just bring it forward ever so slightly, just so it's still really natural. But like I said, I was only ever going to do this once, so I wanted to make sure that when we did do it the once, it was perfect. I loved the team. They were so good, so thorough, really informative, so no question was ever too much. It wasn't painful at all. I personally didn't find it that painful at all. I was expecting the worst and it really wasn't that bad, and I even fell asleep. I think the next 2 weeks I've just got to be really hot on my aftercare, which is important for any procedure that you have because there's only so much that the team can do. Once they've done their part, it's really down to you to make sure you look after yourself and give yourself the best results. I'm really pleased that I've done it now. Thank you so much.